Welcome to Speak Out Blog Talk Show. Well, children, you know, Miss Sam don't blog very often, but when I do, it's something solid, something of interest, something like make you say, wow. And today's no different. Well, may I ask the Father to help me to keep this blog clean, because the way I feel about this situation is not normal. You understand? And I want to make it to heaven. But let me start out by saying, if it's your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and put on your seatbelt, because this year blog is going to be a rough ride. Well, my dear child, I heard a word sound. And this is a true story. Not giving no names. Don't want to know the name. It's better I don't know the person's name, because if I know the person's name, it's not going to be anything nice. Right. Well, my dear child, let me open up the car door because me kind of bun up because I'm so upset. There was this girl that has made it known, but she's staying anonymous. And I don't blame her, because I'm disgusted to know what has taken place in her life. She's going to need a lot of therapy, a lot of guidance, and a lot of prayer. Well, here goes the story. Well, there was this girl. Both of her parents wanted to make a change of life, so they decided that they're going to relocate to America, but they're going to send for her. All right. So she entrusted her grandparents, her grandmother and her grandfather, and they were taking care of her a little bit too well. Right. So it has been exposed that the grandfather have been messing with his granddaughter while the mother and father was away in America. He's molesting his own grandchildren. Fireborn. How could you? If you cannot entrust your children with their grandparents, who the hell can you trust? Tell me now, people. What a sick dog. I tell you, not even hell want this man. Right? All right, no. So the parents, them sort out themselves. The little girl didn't say anything to anybody, because when you're molested, you're confused. Sometimes when you're that age, because she was young, you don't understand what's really going on, but you just know it's not right, and you're scared because you don't know what him tell her. I'm sure he swore her to secrecy. Hey, Jesus, take the wheel. Take it, because me about to crash. No. People. Years went by and everything. She didn't say anything to her parents. And the grandparents, the grandfather decided to visit them in America. This time, the grandmother passed away. God rest her soul. Hey, hey! Papa Jesus, open up the pearly gates. When the man come to visit her and her mother, which is his daughter, his granddaughter was in the shower, taking a shower and everything, but naked as a day she was born, and the man walking in the bathroom. She's a big woman now, you know, in her 30s. And this your son of a bitch, with him dirty, nasty, polluted mind, pervert son of a bitch, walking on her and started smiling. Well, let me tell you something. If it was me, naked and on, I would have beat him senseless. You hear me? They would have locked me up. Right? Anyway, I guess him come out of the bathroom with a stiff hard on. I would have cut that shit off, you see. And after him leave now and go back to Jamaica, her mother confessed to her. Story I get hot, you know. People put on your seatbelt because you can't need it. The mother confessed to her that her daughter's grandfather, which is her biological father, molested her as well when she was younger, from the age of 10. The man asleep with his own daughter, molesting his own daughter. So he molested his daughter and then he molested his granddaughter. But here the twist on this, you know, when you think say it couldn't get worse. People, the mother confessed to her daughter, say the daughter is the product of being raped and molested by her own father. So that means that her mother is really her sister and her grandfather is really her father. As the Africans would say, whoa, hey father, I beg, this one too hot. Are you listening to what Miss Sam is telling you? Her grandfather is not, he's her grandfather plus her father. Anything also? And her mother is really her sister. Hey, father, let me tell you, I want when you send that man to hell, that he get the hottest fire down there. He should be tormented. I want him to be tortured. I want him to be tortured day and night. I said, make the fire hot. Now, what I don't understand is why, even though it's late, why the mother no press charges against her dirty father, make them lock up him backside. I'm telling you, even prison is too good for him. But you know what? Him got dead like a dog in the street. Me, I tell you that. And after him dead, in spirit going to be tortured in hell for eternity. If that is not evil, people, I don't know. Anyway, that is my blog for the day. I'm still in shock mode. If I go have a little drink, for calm my nerves because I'm so hot. Leave your comments down at the bottom and let me know what you think about this situation that is so disgusting. I'm sorry for the mother and I'm so sorry for the daughter, which is her sister. They suffered at the hands of a demon that's walking the earth. Take care. God bless.